In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone group help bot in Telegram. By the end, you'll have a working group management bot that can welcome members, reduce spam, and help with moderation. All without writing everything from scratch. First, create a new bot through Telegram's official bot manager. Open Telegram and search for the verified account that manages bots. Send the command to create a new bot and follow the prompts to choose a clear name and a unique username. At the end, you'll receive an API token. Treat this token like a password. Copy it somewhere safe because you'll need it to connect your code to Telegram and never share it publicly. Next, because full group help functionality is complex, you'll want a pre-built script rather than starting from zero. Head to a reputable code hosting site and search for open-source Telegram group management bots written in Python or Node.js. Look for projects that specifically mention features like welcome messages, anti-spam, and moderation tools. Before you proceed, check the project's README, recent updates, and issues to make sure it's actively maintained and matches your needs. Follow the setup instructions in that README carefully. You'll typically find a configuration section that tells you exactly where to place your API token, often in an environment variable or a configuration file. Avoid hard-coding the token into code that could be shared. Now it's time to host your bot so it can run around the clock. Deploy the script on a server or a cloud platform like Heroku or Render. These services make it easy to set environment variables and keep your bot online. Be aware that some free tiers may sleep after inactivity. For constant moderation, choose a plan that stays awake. Install the required dependencies as the project describes. Set your API token in the platform's configuration and then start the bot. Watch the logs to confirm it connects successfully and doesn't report errors. Finally, add and configure the bot in your Telegram group. Open your group, add the bot, and promote it to an admin so it can actually moderate. Grant the permissions the bot needs based on its features, such as deleting messages, banning users, or pinning posts. Many group management scripts include commands or configuration options to adjust welcome texts, thresholds, or which modules are active. So consult the project's documentation to fine-tune behavior to your community. That's it. Thanks for watching.